What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm in a hurry. I'm going for a date night with my daughter. We're going for a date night. We're going to watch the movie Elsa, the second Dale, the second one. So normally I always go on a date night with my son because he's the oldest, but now my daughter is 5 years old, so now we can go out for a date night. I like to go for a date night with my kids. It's just a time like for us to spend time together, talk about stuff like what happening, how are you feeling, how is school going, is there anything you want to talk about. Like I take them to a movie and then we go to a restaurant in a very quiet and nice place so that we can have like mom and daughter or mom and son time. So this is my first date night with my daughter. My daughter is 5 years old right now. So today we are having our first date night. No, I actually didn't want to do makeup. I just wanted to dress and we go to the movie. But because whenever I go out with my son for a date night, like I go in full glam. I do a nice makeup. I wear my best clothes. I dress myself, and we both have a really great time and take beautiful pictures. So I thought, you know what, do the same for her too, because she's a girl. She like pictures. So we both have like a little bit of a matching outfit, but not completely. So we're going to our first date night movie, which I'm really excited about because it's my first time going to a movie with her. And then from the movie we're going to this beautiful restaurant in the same place where the movie theater is. It's just that the movie theater is up, the restaurant is down. So we're going to this beautiful restaurant where she says she wants to go to eat pancake. In pancake we call it pannenkoek in Holland. So we're going to this pancake restaurant after the movie, and she's really happy, so I'm really excited. So that is why I'm doing my makeup. I thought let me just come and show you guys a quick makeup tutorial. You guys know this palette is my go-to palette whenever I want to do like something very simple and glam. I always reach out for this palette, and it's very beautiful. So yeah, so before guys, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll try and show you guys a quick outfit. I'm in a hurry because we have to get the train. I don't want to miss the train, because if we miss this train, she's going to be so mad at me. So I don't have a car yet, so it's kind of crazy at the moment. So we have to go up and down with the train, but hopefully this year, I know for sure I'll get my driving license very soon, and I'll fix a car. So when I want to go out with the kids and have a beautiful time, I don't have to be worried about not getting a car or something like that. So I want to just try something crazy. I don't know. I'm going to take this light pink here. I'm just going to put it like here. I don't know. I've never really tried this, but I just want to like make it a little bit lighter in the corner. Just a little bit lighter. And then go in with that dark shade. And then blend the outer corner. I don't know if this is something, but yeah, I think it's okay like that. A little bit press. So now let's take liquid illuminator. I've already primed my face with my makeup revolution oil control setting spray. I'm looking at the I'm looking at the clock. We both were a little bit late. We went out to pick up something for her, so that's why we're both a little bit like in a hurry, but she's already finished. She's taking shower Like, she's done, so now it's just me. I wish we didn't go outside, but I was like, let's go outside and pick some few stuff for you, get her some new shoes and like stuff like that. So I actually wanted to do my makeup in the train because I know we were running late, but I was like, you know what, let me see if I can fix something at home quickly before we leave. I don't want to like take a whole bunch of bag with makeup, you understand? And then you guys will be like, what the hell is she? This makeup is crazy. You guys can hear the kids in the background. Please excuse that because the kids are downstairs making noise like nobody's business. My baby hair. I tried to like lay down my baby hair. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. cosmetic concealer a little bit underneath the eyes. The kids are downstairs like really making noise. I'm looking at the time. Okay. She's happy, I'm happy, I'm excited, she's excited. We're both excited to like do this first date night. I'm super excited. Take my concealer. I've never really like done my makeup in such a hurry. But hey, this is my beautiful girl. It's my baby girl, so we don't want to disappoint her. We've planned this day like a week ahead. It's so crazy, like when I plan something a week ahead, when the daytime comes, that's the time we'll be like, let's get you a new shoe, let's get you this. Like, I'll be like, why didn't I think of all this thing in the beginning? I mean, that's what is wrong with my head. Okay, this is a time we don't need like don't like set the entire life of all this excess powder. I think it's cool. Like, contour, illuminator contour powder. Where did I put this? You know what? This is what I hate. When you're in a hurry, I didn't even put all the. I wasn't planning to wear makeup, so that's the reason why. I think we're just going with the bicycle to the station. I'm going to take the bicycle. She's going to sit behind the bicycle. And we're just gonna ride the bicycle to the station because I feel like if we're gonna walk from here to the station, we're definitely gonna come late. So I've never done my makeup this fast. Lip liner. I'm taking my black KIKO lip liner. I'm using this liner lip. lip liner I'm taking with me. You know what? I have this new KIKO lip gloss I bought. I want to give it a try. This KIKO matte matte lipstick. I want us to do a dermo / review on this. I'm just going to put this in my bag. I'm just taking it with me. And maybe this setting powder from Black Opera. Now we're going to, I'm going to set my face quickly. You guys know I always set my face before I highlight. I'm so in a hurry. Time to get my earrings in quickly. Necklace, I'm gonna wear this African piece necklace. I'm gonna wear this actually. Okay, so my powder is dry. I'm going to take this highlighter by Makeup Revolution. Take the highlighter. I have to watch the time for the train. Let me get this one. This one we go. 9:19. This is a good one. So now it's time to set this face once more again. So beauties, this is the finished result of the makeup. I'm ready to go. I hope you all like this video. It was very quick, very simple, but I'm all dressed up. Hopefully I can show you guys my outfit when we are outside. She's also dressed up. So yeah, I'm going to have a quality time with my baby girl. We're going for a date night. So yeah, see you guys very soon. Vergeet niet te abonneren. Vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal, op mijn Facebook pagina. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. This is again Emmy. Bye. Doeg.